can't believe I did that.
Don't cry.
Merry Christmas.
I think Britt made out like a bandit this year, huh?
Yeah, seriously.
It's making me cry.
Merry Christmas.
Let me get a picture of you with your gift.
No, not now.
Come on.
Cover my eyes too.
Just hold up in front of your face.
No, don't cover your eyes.
I read the whole thing. She got me crying.
Is it good?
Did you get everything? I'm sorry, I ruined that one.
I wasn't really like catching on.